This is going to make crocheting so much easier. Welcome to the review channel, guys. Today we're checking out this yarn holder. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So this thing is a base with an arm, and then it has this magnetic holder. I'm going to shove this through a ball of yarn, and then as you knit or crochet or whatever you're doing, it spins freely, allowing you to pull the yarn out without it getting tangled everywhere like it does in so many of my other projects. So what I normally do is I keep my yarn in a bag, and over time the ball falls apart, gets all tangled up, and I have to untangle the yarn as I go towards the end of my project, which this one's been going for quite a while, so that ball is quite tangled in there. It's all messed up, but we're going to fix that with this machine. Now this thing is so simple, I can do it with one hand. I just take the ball of yarn, stick it on the rod, take the magnetic tip, put it on there, and it'll spin. So as you can see, as the yarn slowly pulls out, it'll let it unravel at a nice even pace. No more tangles, no more mess. It also has this little tray on the bottom where I can put my pin markers or my other little things. It's also a good spot for like the needles I use for sewing in my ends, because they're just plastic, they're not going to stab me anyway. This is going to be great. I definitely approve of this.